Hello, my name's Tommy.
Hi, my name is Khang.
And we're going to be showing you how to make the Newton's Disc stem kit. It should have come with all the materials: a string, a cardboard circle, a skewer, and a blank white circle. First, what you're going to want to do is you're going to have to take this white circle, and we've already done it, but you're going to have to color it into 7 equal parts, little triangles. Once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to take it, you're going to put it on your circle like this, so your cardboard circle, and you're going to go like that. You're going to glue it, so here we will apply the glue to the cardboard circle. Then you can stick this onto it like so, and then you can take this skewer, poke a hole down the middle, just directly in the middle. Make sure it's nice and big, good enough for us to fit a string in there. We're gonna thread it through the hole so that it looks like this. So you're gonna have a colored cardboard circle on a string. And if Khang would like to do the honors.
All right, so you spin it on the string, like this, and then after a bit, you can just tug on the string and it'll spin the colors around.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it. That's Newton's disc.
There you go.